Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open your MG Windsor bonnet. First, make sure your vehicle is safely parked on a level surface with the engine completely off. This prevents any unexpected movement or burns from hot engine parts. Next, you'll need to find the internal bonnet release lever, usually situated on the driver's side, often near the footwell or lower dashboard. Pull this lever firmly to disengage the primary latch mechanism. Once the primary latch is released, walk to the front of your MG Windsor. You'll notice the bonnet has popped up slightly, creating a small gap. Carefully reach into this gap, feeling along the underside of the bonnet's front edge. You're looking for the secondary safety latch. This mechanism is designed to prevent accidental opening and usually requires a gentle push or pull to fully disengage. After releasing the secondary latch, you can now smoothly lift the bonnet all the way open. Be mindful of its weight and lift it steadily. Next, locate the bonnet support rod. This rod is usually clipped securely to the underside of the bonnet itself or sometimes to the engine bay. Carefully unclip it and firmly insert its end into the designated hole on the engine bay frame to hold the bonnet securely in the open position. When you're finished, carefully remove the support rod from its hole and reclip it securely in its storage position. Then, gently lower the bonnet, guiding it down until it's about 6 to 8 inches from fully closing. Finally, press down firmly on the center of the bonnet with both hands. You should hear 2 distinct clicks as both the primary and secondary latches engage, ensuring it's securely closed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.